In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a scroll bar animation in Figma using Smart Animate. First, head to the Figma website and open your design project. We're starting here to quickly access the right UI assets and set up the scene for the animation. Once your project is open, look to the left side of the interface and open the Assets panel. This is where all your pre-built components live, which saves you time and keeps your design consistent. Inside Assets, locate the Material 3 Design Kit. This kit includes a polished, platform-ready set of components, including a scroll bar we can drop right into the canvas. With the kit selected, use the search bar and type Scroll. You'll see a scroll bar component appear in the results. Click and drag it onto your project canvas, then position it where you want the scroll interaction to appear. Take a moment to align it with your layout so it looks intentional and clean. If the scroll bar comes in with variants or nested layers, leave those intact. They help Smart Animate understand how to transition smoothly. Next, press Alt+K, then choose Frame to create a new frame. This frame works like a container for the elements involved in your animation and gives you a clear boundary for previewing. If you prefer menus over shortcuts, you can also create a frame using the on-screen controls. With your frame in place, drag the scroll bar component into the frame so it's neatly nested. Keep the layer names consistent and avoid renaming pieces if you don't need to. Consistent naming helps Smart Animate track elements between states. At this point, your structure is ready. You've got the scroll bar on the canvas, it's positioned inside a frame, and the project is set to preview. Click play to enter the preview mode. Here's where the magic happens. Smart Animate automatically interprets matching layers and their positions, easing between them to create a smooth, natural motion for your scroll bar. If you don't see the motion you expect, double-check that the scroll bar sits inside the frame, that you haven't detached essential parts of the component, and that your layers are clearly labeled. That's it. You've set up a clean, professional scroll bar animation using Smart Animate with a minimal, component-driven workflow. Save your work, test the timing in the preview, and adjust the position or size of the scroll bar to fine-tune the look. When you're happy with it, you're ready to use the same approach across other components for consistent, fluid UI motion.